Okay, ladies and gentlemen, using a WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get is one of those benefits of having a modern browser like Internet Explorer, Firefox. As you can see, I'm using Firefox. Go to the Firefox test page. I clicked on Control and then the link, and it opens up in a new tab. How beautiful is that? It goes beyond words. It's extremely efficient. I wouldn't use any other browser if I didn't have to. Let's Control Tab back to our demonstration of the WYSIWYG. This, I believe, is HTML area embedded in the Moodle interface, and we're going to I'm going to create a link for this text here. Here is the link itself, or the URL. I'm going to copy that URL, and I could do the same thing if I go over here and load that page. I could just as easy copy it from here as I could copy it from there. So again, this link here, right there, is the same as this link right here. So again, copy it, Control C. I click on the link. It says Insert Web Link. Click on it. Now I don't want to link to the same link to the text I just the text I just highlighted, so cancel out of that. Click on the words that I want to create a link for. Click on the Insert Web Link icon, which is a 3-link chain. The URL, Control V, paste that. I'm going to give it a title, which would be the rollover text. Great free antivirus software. Clickety click. Now I'm going to open this up in a new window. Hit the Enter key to select it. Looks good. I click OK. Now you can see it's highlighted, or rather now it shows up blue. Because I'm still in HTML area, it is not a link yet. We'll go ahead and save our changes. For giggles, save our changes. The page reloads, and we scroll down our link. Free antivirus. Now we have our rollover, and you can see it says great free antivirus software. So if you click on that, let's click on it. I'm going to hold down the Control key and open it up in a new tab. Let's close the other one so we don't confuse the users. Click on Control and hold down the Control key and press the left mouse, and you can see over here in the tab it's loading up in Firefox. And I have now created a HTML link using WYSIWYG HTML area WYSIWYG from Moodle. So don't be bashful. Link important phrases. Don't overlink to the point of becoming cloudy or confusing. But in this instance, using a WYSIWYG clearly makes sense, as opposed to actually hand coding your links. Thank you very much for watching, and happy surfing.